Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media. Top for Best Humidifier Review. Number 4. Experience a serene ambience with the Wi-Fi Smart 550ml electric aroma diffuser. This ultrasonic essential oil diffuser and humidifier offers remote control convenience, producing a soothing mist to purify your home's air. Its large capacity ensures long-lasting fragrance, promoting relaxation and well-being in any space. Number 3. Enhance your driving experience with the Essential Oil Diffuser, a smart car air freshener and humidifier. This compact, clip-on diffuser easily attaches to your car's ventilation system, providing a refreshing aroma with the benefits of aromatherapy. Its sleek, hanging design ensures continuous fragrance, creating a soothing atmosphere while on the road. Number 2. Specifications: humidifying capacity 30 milliliters per hour. Model number: car double spray humidifier. Shape: classic columnar. Operation method: keyboard type. Application: 11-20 power type. Battery: humidity control. Touch control. Mist output: gallon to day, 30 milliliters per H. Use: household. Number 1. Product sell points: aromatherapy function. Integrated aromatherapy feature allows for a pleasant fragrance, enhancing the ambience of your space. Ultrasonic mist maker: ultrasonic technology creates a fine mist, ensuring silent operation and enhanced air quality. Smart battery display: equipped with a 2000 mAh battery and a digital display, it alerts you when it's time to recharge. Types of humidifier for home: Pure fragrance diffuser, large capacity tank, 1000 ml water tank ensures extended mist. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.